Hello guys, welcome to my channel with another vlog. So our today's topic is lifeboat battery replacement or renewal. Lifeboat comes under LSA equipment. Therefore, lifeboat is very important when we talk about safeties. So it is very important to maintain and take care of the equipment in lifeboat. Lifeboat batteries are 12-volt batteries connected in parallel, and it is required to start the engine and required for lights in lifeboat. These batteries are being charged by its respective charger. So for starboard lifeboat, one charger is provided, and for port lifeboat, another charger is provided. So this is the schematic diagram of how we charge the lifeboat battery. So at the input of the battery charger, we give ship's power, which can be 110 volt or 220 volt, and in battery charger this power get rectified, and at the output of the battery charger we get 12 volt DC, which we feed to the battery to charge the battery. So guys, this is the wiring diagram of battery installed in lifeboat, as each lifeboat consists of two sets of batteries connected in parallel. We can use either one battery or both the battery using selector switch to start various lights, and also these batteries are used for starting the lifeboat engine. So the most important factor to start the lifeboat engine is battery CCA, which is called as cold cranking amps, which means the ability to start the engine even in minus temperature by delivering high amperage. Or in simple words, it shows the health condition of a battery. And as per our company policy, if the CCA or health of the battery is less than 70% of the rated CCA, then we need to replace the battery or renew the battery. Currently, the battery health is 56%, means this battery will not able to start the lifeboat engine. So after discussing with chief engineer, we decided to replace the batteries. So we started our job to replace the battery by removing the connections. These batteries are DC powered, so make sure always that positive and negative terminal should never touch each other. So when you remove the connection, always use insulation tapes. So this is our new battery which we going to install, as the terminals of these batteries is different from previous batteries. So we gonna make connections as per these batteries. Whenever you are replacing the batteries, make sure it should fit inside the box and it should be thoroughly secured. And always check the specification. Voltage must be same. If you get higher CCA batteries, then it will be fine, but do not accept lower CCA batteries. So we able to make connection with the new terminals of the battery we receive, and always tight the connection thoroughly. It should not be any loose connection. So after making the connection of the battery, we test voltage of the each battery, and we got voltage around 12.5 volt, which is good enough. I also checked the CCA, which I am not able to make the video of it, but it was showing 100% health. So the next job is to start the lifeboat. So now we'll start lifeboat in number 2 battery. Ahead देखना ahead unleash. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you understand the video, and if you like the video please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.